Some of you may remember that a while ago on this channel I modified this 7th Doctor figure in order to give the figure a head with a hat. I'll provide a link to the video in the description if you want to attempt this sort of thing yourself. Since then I felt weirded out by having two figures, both of them having the exact same body with different heads, that were both removable. So I decided to modify the figure once more. This time to make it look like a TV movie 7th Doctor custom figure. Firstly, I removed the PVC jumper, shot it with a heat gun and peeled it off. Then I gave the figure a base layer of Milliput on the chest in order to make it stand out more, or to make the clothing look layered, and to give the neck support. Then I molded the details of the tie, the shirt and the waistcoat, and layered on the collar. Once that was all done, I painted the shirt white, gave it a black tie, painted the red waistcoat with gold buttons. Finally, I painted the jacket brown, firstly with a normal brown, and then used a lighter brown mixed up with brown and white in order to give it a more tweed look. And that is the figure. Hope you liked it. Before we go, I'd like to make an announcement. I never thought I'd do this, but I started a Patreon. The Patreon page is simply called Warrior Custom Figures, and there are plenty of awesome perks on the page already, as well as plenty more to come. I'm currently welcome to any amount of money that you're willing to donate to me, because as someone who does custom figures, money's important. The more money I have, the easier it is to get supplies. So whatever you want to contribute, whether it be $1, £1, or more, whatever, please feel free to do so. Thank you. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe for more.